Welcome to the TutorFi classroom, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create workspace regions in your whiteboard. This is something that is recommended to do before your student arrives for the tutoring session. I'm first going to create a text box that will welcome my student. So I clicked on the A for text. I'm going to change the size to 32 point, and I'm also going to change the color of the text, and you've got a wide variety of colors here to choose from. And then when I click and drag the box horizontally, I can type in my welcome. And then I can reposition the box by clicking on the selector tool and move the box like so. I'm also going to put a straight line underneath the box. I'm going to keep the defaults, which is black and 2 pixels wide, starting from one side of the screen and drawing across the screen to basically underline the welcome. And now I've got a fairly large blank space that I'm going to divide into regions by using rectangles. I'm going to turn the stroke off so that the rectangle has no outline, and for the fill color I'm going to choose the major colors rather than the shades. So I'm going to start with yellow and estimate half of the region that's left as my starting point and drag across to half of the width of the screen. So there's my first region. Then I'm going to pick another color and do the same thing, starting where I left off and dragging across. And then finally a third color, and I'll adjust the sizes of these boxes soon because they're not exactly proportional. To change the size, click on the selector tool and the box, and then you can adjust height and width. And that's what I'm doing. So this is the way to divide up your work area so you can have a practice area for the teacher to set up a problem or an example for the student, and then you also have a student work area. Actually, you've got 3 student work areas. The student can work in all 3 of these, and it's a more effective use of the classroom. Now, if your problem, depending on, let's say, the math level, is a more complex problem that requires more space, you can make adjustments to this layout in that you can have 2 regions or 3 regions, but you want to have a tutor's work area, one that you will work in, as well as at least a couple student work areas to set up your classroom before your student arrives. Thank you for watching.